Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a dust-free zone and gathering the LK kit, a microfiber cloth, and dust stickers. Clean the watch face with the wet wipe, then dry thoroughly with the microfiber. This removes oils that cause bubbles. Once done, use the dust sticker to lift any remaining particles. This matters because even tiny dust creates big bubbles. Place the watch flat, keep the crown away from edges, and align the protector roughly over the face before you peel any backing. You peel just 1/4 to 1/3 of the protector backing so you can control alignment. This prevents accidental full contact if you're off-center. Align the exposed edge with the watch bezel, check symmetry, then slowly lower the protector toward the face from one side to the other. This reduces trapped air. As you lay it down, press gently with the included squeegee or a soft card, pushing outward to force air and moisture toward the edges. Make sure to maintain steady, even pressure to avoid creases. You finish by running the microfiber over the protector to firm the seal and check edges for gaps. Press the edges gently to lock adhesive. Small bubbles will disappear in 24-48 hours, but you can push visible ones toward the edge with a card now. If a speck of dust or major misalignment occurs, don't panic. Use 2 pieces of tape to lift the protector slowly, dab the dust away with the sticker, then realign and reapply. Make sure the watch stays off until fully settled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.